Hi, welcome to Econ 102, Principles of Microeconomics. My name is Eric Peterson. I'm going to be your professor this semester. Because this is an online course, there's a few things that are going to be a little different from your standard face-to-face class. First and foremost is you're going to have to purchase an access code to the publisher's online resources. The directions on how to do this are clearly stated in the syllabus and in the Start Here module, so that's something that you're going to need by week 2, but definitely try and get it done during week 1. Also, speaking of the publishers and the kind of online resources, when you buy the access code, that's going to give you access to an ebook. If you like to have a hard copy of the book, I'm fine with you purchasing an older edition on Amazon, or there is a combo pack available in the campus bookstore that has both an access code and kind of a loose leaf version of the textbook. So whatever you want is fine. I only require the access code because buying that gives you access to an electronic version of the book, which you can use to read on your computer. Speaking of reading, because you don't have the luxury of kind of coming into class twice a week and having me explain the material to you, the reading and the learning is really going to be a lot more on your shoulders than it would be in a standard face-to-face class. I'm fine with that because you guys can kind of pace it out on your own and you have all week to do the readings and you don't have to come into class. And so all that is what it is. So you have this benefit of kind of having the online course, but the cost is that you don't get to have me explain in depth kind of every concept from every chapter as I would in my face-to-face class. You're going to have to make sure that you do the reading and understand the concepts because you're going to be required to kind of take the same sort of test as my face-to-face students are without having the benefit of the lectures. Also, make sure you go through the syllabus and understand every part of the grading, what's required of you, the different parts of the grading scheme, sort of, learn smart, discussion sections, homeworks, midterms, finals. And take the syllabus quiz because without taking the syllabus quiz, you can't access week 1. So once you finish the syllabus quiz with 100%, don't worry, you can take it multiple times. Once you get 100% on the syllabus quiz, the week 1 content will sort of magically appear. Before you finish that syllabus quiz with 100%, it's just going to be sort of blank. Make sure you watch the sort of navigation or the how-to video. It'll kind of highlight how the course is set up and kind of where you'll look for the due dates and sort of the links to the appropriate assignments every week. All of that stuff is in the Start Here menu, and I really am expecting you guys all to go through that and understand it before we get started. We are actually going to start any material from the book until week 2. Week 1 is just sort of getting familiar with the online format, introducing yourself, kind of, giving me a homework in week 1, which you'll see later. So small things like that. We're really going to dig into the material of the textbook starting in week 2. Week 1, you just have to get your, online readiness certificate done, take the syllabus quiz, and then finish the 2 smaller assignments in the week 1 module. So again, I'm looking forward to having you in class this semester. I think we're going to have a fun time. If you have any questions, please email me using the contact information located in the Start Here module or on the syllabus. All right, thanks again. Bye.